Immersed in a lush natural valley, today's house is located just a few hours from Mexico City, near Valle de Bravo, a region known for its splendid flora and fauna. Designed by Luis Carbonell, Chulavista House is a retreat built within the facilities of Rancho Chipicas, a space dedicated to rural activities. As an intervention over a pre-existing house, the new configuration seeks to expand the built environment and make the most of its connection to the landscape. The surrounding conditions define the guidelines for the intervention. First, the predominant trees around the house were preserved, and second, the space was transformed in the least intrusive way. The social and shared areas remain in the original house, while the private spaces unfold from a new volume on the west side. Connected through a corridor with a skylight, the new rooms emerge alongside a series of gardens between them. The same architectural language and materials already present on site were used. The open ground floor feels light and flows seamlessly through the 3 levels connected by stairs. The spaces seem to interact with each other. Visually connected, the rooms individually reveal their full height and openness. The floor evolves and transforms into part of the furniture, becoming a staircase, playing with the boundaries of materiality and texture. The structure becomes part of the furniture, and the furniture becomes part of the activity taking place. The living room ascends to the studio on a mid-level and continues to the bedroom, which opens onto the balcony. On the second floor, a bridge connects to the existing tower, where the bathrooms and service areas remain organized as a vertical axis alongside the adjacent rooms on both floors. The structural solution is a key element in the relationship between the old and new constructions. The addition is supported, suspended, and loaded like a continuous strip, connecting all structural elements through beams and slabs. By transferring the loads this way, the central support is avoided, fully freeing the interior span, which becomes open and interconnected. An exterior stair leads to the rooftop, the final extension of the addition, a panoramic view of the valley that supports this tower. Chulavista House is based on verticality to narrate a story of layers, rhythms, and patterns. Rising from a solid and heavy stone base, the openings align like markings in the landscape. Gradually, these openings expand in size until they are absorbed by the vast vegetal spectrum surrounding the house.